I've used music ever since it was first put together many years ago. The experience that I've got in terms of how we apply music is very much in a stormwater management sense. So we design systems using music. Everything we do is influenced by the performance, the predictions that are provided in music. And also we do a whole lot of water balance work as well. So we use it essentially every day in all of our workings. In southeast Queensland, more broadly Queensland, Coomera Waters represents probably the best example of water sense urban design application here in Queensland, and maybe even across Australia. Very much music was used to test the solutions, size the solutions, and then from our point of view we went and designed and implemented the solutions out on site. A lot of the experiences that I've had at Coomera Waters have then been fed back into music in terms of improving music to the current version now. Certainly from our point of view we use a lot for stormwater treatment, so we do a lot of predictions around rainfall runoff, the pollutant loads associated with those, and then the sizing of the treatment systems to manage those. So that's probably the element of the model that we use the most, but certainly we try to drive music into areas that it might not necessarily have been designed for, so water balance, stormwater harvesting, integrated water cycle management, ecosystem protection. We use it for all of those kind of purposes. Interesting situation in southeast Queensland at the moment is that the policy process that we're going through and the design process that we're going through here means that we're very much at the forefront of delivering water sense urban design at the moment across Australia and probably more broadly across the world. So we've got a really good policy setting which has objectives associated with it, and all those objectives are pretty much underpinned by music. So they're all developed using Music version 3, and we're testing those now using Music version 4. From a policy point of view and the design objectives that we're aiming to achieve here in southeast Queensland, they're very much underpinned by music. From a design point of view also, because the objectives were set using music, the compliance process is also influenced by music. So every development that goes through an assessment process here in southeast Queensland that has a water sense urban design or stormwater management asset associated with it usually has a music model that underpins the design. So clearly in southeast Queensland music is a fundamental part of the business here.